Well, it's the morning of my surgery on my knee, and we are getting ready to head out to the surgical center. And we'll try to take video as best we can throughout the day. So pray for me and pray for Nancy. I know she's probably nervous about it too. Well, we made it to the surgery center, and now just sitting here waiting for them to call me back. Excited, nervous, yeah, a little bit of everything.
So Paul's gonna have his knee replacement surgery this morning, and I'm gonna make him drive home, and I might make him walk the last 2 or 3 blocks home because it's all uphill, so he can get used to using that knee.
Yes. Well, how do I look? I'm surprised they don't give me one of these for my legs because my legs are pretty hairy. But I told Nancy that I'm gonna have a shaved leg when I'm done. Yeah, so I'm just sitting here. They're waiting to check me in. They'll have me hooked up to all sorts of things, and then they'll wheel me on back. And when I come out, I'll be all groggy, and Nancy will be laughing at me a lot. And she's nodding yes right now. Well, it's after surgery. I don't remember anything, which is probably good. And my knee area feels numb, but I'm not in any pain. So I hope they left me with a nice Z for a scar. But I feel pretty good, actually, and looking forward to getting up, moving around, and just looking forward to starting the physical therapy. And yeah, it's weird. Other than a little nauseous, I feel actually pretty good. My knee's still numb, and I just want to go home, put my knee up, and just go to sleep. But working on it, and I'm thankful for Nancy for putting up with all this. And other than that little nausea, not too bad. Not too bad at all. So boy, I can't wait to get in my recliner and just nap for a while. I don't feel bad. I mean, my knee feels stiff, but that's because they've got a pain block in there right now.
And I want to be near him as he goes up these couple steps.
Yeah.
Lead with your good leg.
Now this is what they told me to do, was fold this. So if you're going up, the good goes up, the bad goes down. So lead with the good. It's not bad, is it?
No.
All right, so we're going to take the bandage off. If you're queasy about seeing scars and stuff, turn away now. Yesterday was okay. I had some nausea yesterday, but not feeling it today. But today I get to take this off and see my Zorro scar. So here comes the unwrapping. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, it's going to feel good to get this thing off. It's like opening a Christmas present. All right, now turn away if you don't want to see this. Alrighty. Wow. Yeah, wow. That's some pretty extensive stuff that they did. You can see the little bit of tape that they've got. And then this is the main scar here. And they understitched it and then glued it together. But yeah, and of course Tony's being curious about it. But that's going to be a nice scar once it's done. But it feels weird. You can see the swelling compared to my other knee. All around here, all that swelling. But it feels good just to get that off.